to be somebody, but it won't be long before you need somebody. Holding on, trying to be somebody, but it won't be long before you need somebody. Excuse me, my friend, forgot that you were standing there. Excuse me, my friend, I don't remember who I am. All I know is I was reaching for the stars. Let go everyone I had it from the start. Oh, forgiveness, asking for forgiveness. Hey, forgiveness, asking for forgiveness. Hey.
Like I'm slacking with my children, focusing on rap, trying to pack and shake the building. In a race with my own race, just to raise the roof, and I ain't talking about the ceiling. Here's something to believe in. No sleep, cause you're living what you're dreaming. And it's a lesson in itself how my son could call me dad when I miss the parents' evening. Amazed I'm still breathing. Every other shot I feel my insides bleeding. Granddad turning in his grave, car I promised that I'll be there for my gran when she's grieving. I used to be a man of my word, now time seems to have got the best of my sentence. In that case I'll have to adjourn, cause the thought of an excuse is just as bad as the intention.
Excuse me, my friend, I think I might have hit my head.